Hello everyone. With you Project Guru Markets. Let's start with general information about the company. A little further, we will study each indicator in more detail. If necessary, you can pause the video. We suggest studying each parameter of the corporation under study more closely. We will look at the main fundamental indicators of the company Byrna Technologies Inc, ticker BYRN. This review is based on current information as of August 1st, 2025. By classification, Guru.Markets company Byrna Technologies Inc belongs to the subcategory Military Systems. 26 companies are participating in the assessment. We will look at order decisions towards the end of the video. The result for the company in question is 2.5 out of 10 points. The average score for the subcategory is 2.3 points. If you look broadly, within the framework of the market in general, we'll see the average rating for the entire market as a whole is 1.8 points, against a score of 2.5 points for Byrna Technologies Inc. By comparing the price movement of the company's shares Byrna Technologies Incorporated and subcategory shares, we can see that over the last 12 months, the stock Byrna Technologies Incorporated showed a dynamics of 134.3%. 26% are against changing prices in the subcategory. Market capitalization of the company Byrna Technologies Inc. valued at $0.5 billion. With a market capitalization of $623 billion, the subcategory is worth $1.5 billion. The company's book value is $0.06 billion. And the capitalization of the subcategory is $152 billion. Comparing the shares of market and book value, we see the following. Occupied share Byrna Technologies Inc. in the subcategory in case of stock market capitalization assessment is 0.081%. Book value capitalization is 0.039%. Evaluation of the company's share of market and balance sheet capitalization of the subcategory, bad, -1 point. The company's financial liabilities amount to $0.002 billion. Debt to book value ratio is 4% of equity. The company's debt performance, very good, 2 points. The company's market price to profit ratio is 34.3, with an average in the subcategory of 28.6. Evaluation of the company's market value to profit ratio in comparison with companies in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. Profits for the last 12 months were $15 million. Future profits over the next 12 months are expected to be $17 million. Assessment of expected future profit indicators in comparison with the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The company's value to revenue ratio is 4.9. Average for subcategory 2. Evaluation of the company's market value to revenue ratio in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, bad, -1 point. Revenue for the last 12 months was $100 million. Projected revenue for the next 12 months is expected to be $110 million. Assessment of expected future sales indicators in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The sales margin is 14.3%, with an average of 6.9% in the subcategory. Profitability assessment in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The company's share by number of personnel in the subcategory is 0.024%. which is 238% less than the market capitalization share. The amount of capital per employee of the company is $3,000 and $19,000, while for the subcategory it is $897,000. Evaluation of the amount of company capital per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The company's profit per employee is $88,000. The average for the subcategory is $31,400. Evaluation of profit per employee compared to indicators in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The organization's revenue per employee is $620,000. In the subcategory, $453,000. Evaluation of the share of revenue per individual employee of the company in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The number of shares shorted is 23.3%, compared to the average for the subcategory of 1.8%. Technical indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 37% for the company Byrna Technologies Inc., whereas for the subcategory this level is 62%. The company's shares are actually valued at approximately $22.20. The consensus price target for the company's shares is approximately $38.49. Let's go to the order table. It is available for you. The link to it is in the pinned comment. The order table contains all decisions made this season by the evaluation information and reference System.GURU.Markets. Access to the order table is free and open. Link in the pinned comment. As a result of the analysis of securities Byrna Technologies Inc., information and reference System.GURU.Markets, a decision has been made. Open a buy order at $22.21 per share. The deal was opened due to the fact that the company has a relatively high rating and price dynamics. The organization was assessed using the Akeem's index assessment approach. Take profit is set at 33.67. Stop loss is set at 10.75. In case the order is not closed by take profit or stop loss, the transaction will then close automatically upon completion of exchange trading on August 31st, 2025, or on the last working day before this date. Ticker CELC will become a balancing transaction for sale. The video on the balancing order will be or has already been published on this channel. In case of closing of one of the orders, the main or balancing, another order is fixed at the actual price. Thank you all for watching this video and for using the information and reference system from Guru Markets.